Introducing BioCycle-D, the optimized aerobic sludge digestion process from EnviroMix. You already know that aerobic sludge digestion consumes a lot of energy. But did you know you could cut that consumption in half? BioCycle-D's integrated process is specifically designed to decouple aeration from mixing. How do we do it? By right-sizing the diffused aeration system and integrating our energy-efficient, low-maintenance BioMix compressed gas mixing system. Unlike conventional aerated mixing that can lead to wasted energy and pH reduction, BioCycle-D controls the process through phases of aeration and independent mixing. The result is improved volatile sludge digestion and easy-to-dewater sludge. BioCycle-D offers independent mixing and provides operator-friendly, automatic control through dynamic instrumentation and feedback, and offers you a complete solution. The compressed gas mixing system, diffused aeration system with blowers, instrumentation and controls are all included for start-to-finish process responsibility. In hopper bottom tanks, the BioMix compressed gas mixing system eliminates dead space beneath the aeration grid, where solids would otherwise accumulate. This results in complete utilization of basin volume. For optimized aerobic sludge digestion, BioCycle-D from EnviroMix is the ideal solution.